start talking about digging some holes with a post hole digger, Fieldmaster by Speedco company. There's a PTO with a Kubota tractor. It's a 45 horsepower Kubota tractor. I'm going to show you a technique on the best way to dig in holes. I'm digging these holes to plant trees, but you can do the same techniques to plant some trees, shrubs, or for some posts. First things, you align the hole for your measurements to where you want the post to come in. Then sit on your tractors and you lower your PTO right into the ground where it touches the ground. Start your tractor. And like you can see, there's the post hole auger is actually in an angle, which is fine. Because once you start going down, you want the hole to stay straight, and I'll show you how. So you lower your auger all the way down. You start your PTO while you're lowering it down slowly. And you increase the RPM on it. Some rocks. Keep going. And when it gets up down to the end of it, that's when you start cleaning up your hole. Right about now, pick it up, you leave your RPM, you ease off on it a little bit, shut off, drop it down, and start it again. Once it hits it, you raise up your RPM, then you clean up your hole. Push it down. Do it a few times until you get most of the dirt out. Once you're done, you should have a really clean, I would say about 4 feet deep, 4.5 feet deep, clean hole, and that's how it's done.